So guys, in this video I will show you how to power off your Oppo A57 smartphone. If you have the Oppo Reno 7, the same method is used as well. As you already know, in other smartphones all you have to do is press the power button and the power menu will appear where you can restart the phone or power it off. But in this device, if you press and hold the power button, it will open the Google Voice Assistant as you can see here. I don't know if this is the same with all Android 12 phones or just a few phones. What I do know is that the power button alone cannot power off this device. So to power the device off, you will have to press and hold the volume up button here. That's the first one at the top, and the power button at the same time. When you do this, the power menu will appear. Swipe the control to the top and the phone will restart. Swipe it down and the phone will power off. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe.